Hello student, today I am going to start a quadratic equation. I suppose in lower classes you have studied the polynomial and quadratic polynomial. So just I am going to explain about the quadratic polynomial. Here ax square plus bx plus c. Here you see this is the polynomial. What is the highest power of the variable in any terms? In the first term, highest power of the variable is 2. Here, power of variable is 1. X raised to power 1. Here, x raised to power 0. So, degree of polynomial equal to 2. So, it is known as the quadratic polynomial. The polynomial which degree is 2, that is known as the quadratic polynomial. I suppose it is clear. What is the difference between polynomial and equation? If any polynomial is equal to 0, या any mathematical statement, any expression in mathematical expression, mathematical statement, polynomial, all are the same. So any polynomial is equal to 0, then it will become the equation. Suppose 3x plus 5, this is the polynomial. If it is equal to 0, then it will become the equation. Now, you will see this. This is the quadratic polynomial of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. It is known as the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Or this is known as the quadratic polynomial. You will see this in this equation, degree of polynomial is 2, so it has the 2 value of the x. If the degree of polynomial is 3, then it has the 3 value of the x. So value of x will be depend on the degree of that equation. So this is the quadratic equation. So degree of this quadratic equation is 2. So it has the 2 roots. 2 roots means 2 value of the x. I suppose it is clear? Yes. Now you see the question. The solution of equation, number of solution of equation is depend on the degree of the equation. Here, exercise 5.1, or now see the some questions. The question number first is given here. Under root 3 x square minus 2x plus 3 upon 5 equal to 0. So 5 root 3 x square minus 10x plus 3 equal to 0. Now you have written in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. What is value of a? This is a. This is b. b means minus 10. c is 3. This is, or degree of this equation is 2. So this is the quadratic equation. So you will see the question number third. No, question number not third. Question number fourth. X minus 3 upon x equal to 2. X does not equal to 0. Why it is written x does not equal to 0? First you see this. Now 3 upon 0 equal to infinite. Or there is no solution of this equation will be infinite. So you will simplify this. What will be this? X square minus 3 upon x equal to 2. The x square minus 3 equal to 2x, or x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Now it is the quadratic equation. It is clear? So first you write in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, then you can identify it is quadratic or not quadratic. Now see the one more question, question number 5th of the first. Ax plus 2 upon ax equal to x square. You simplify this. Ax square plus 2 upon ax equal to x square. Ax square plus 2 equal to 2x square cube. This will be cube. Then 0 equal to 2x cube minus x square minus 2. What is the degree of this equation? Degree of this equation is 3. So it is not the quadratic. This is clear? Okay. Now see the second question. Question number 2. In each of the following determine whether the given number are roots of the given equation or not. Just like first part, x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0, numbers are given 1 and minus 1. अब इसको बताना ये रूट्स है या नहीं है. If it is solution of this equation, means value of this equation, so it will satisfy this equation. Very simple. You will put the value of x first 1, again you put value of x minus 1, it is satisfied, then both are the roots. So let x equal to 1, so 1 square minus 1 plus 1, then it will be 1. So it is not equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 is not solution of this equation. It is now, it is not solution of this equation. Let x equal to minus 1. So minus 1 square, again you write minus 1, or then you write plus 1, or what will be this value? 1 plus 1 plus 3, or not equal to 0. So it is not satisfied, it is also not the solution of this equation. ये भी क्या है? ये भी solution नहीं है. मतलब इस equation का solution 1 और minus 1 नहीं है. Okay? Now it is clear? Now you will see some more question, means question number 3rd of this. You see 3x square minus 13x minus 10 equal to 0, or here value is given 5 minus 2 by 3. You will see this. Let x equal to 5, 3 into 5 square minus 13 into 5 minus 10, 75, 65 minus 10, 75 minus 75 equal to 0. So it is the solution of this equation. X equal to 5, and the 5 is solution of this equation. Now let x equal to minus 2 by 3. Now 3 into this square will be 4 by 9 minus 13 into minus 2 by 3, or minus 10. This will be 3, 4 by 3, or this will be 26 by 3 minus 10, or this will be 30 by 3, 10 minus 10 equal to 0. So it is solution of this equation. So these are solution of this equation. Clear? Okay. Now you will see the third question. in each of the following. Determine given number are solution of given equation or not. It is same way. I like question number second I have done. In the same way, you will try to do the question number third. Okay. One question I am going to do. Question number third first. X square minus 3 under root 3 x plus 6 equal to 0. What are given? Root 3 and minus 2 root 3. This is given. Let x equal to root 3 square minus 3 root 3 into root 3 plus 6. This will be 3 or this will be minus 9 plus 6. So 9 minus 9 equal to 0. It means one value of x is the root 3. It is clear? For other value, let x equal to minus 2 root 3. You will write here minus 2 root 3 whole square minus 3 root 3 into minus 2 root 3 plus 6. 12, 18 or plus 6. Okay. Now it will be 36. So it is not solution of this equation. So it is solution of this equation, or it is not solution of this equation. It is clear? Okay. Question number 4th, 5th and 6th. Here you find the value of k. Unknowns are given. It is given, it is solution of this equation, then find the value of k. So sir, you will see better. Question number 5. Fifth first. If root 2 is root of this equation, what is this? Kx square. Kx square plus root 2 x minus 4 equal to 0. Its one root is root 2. Root 2 means one root is root 2 means value one value of x is root 2. यहाँ पे कितनी वैल्यू आएगी x की? दो वैल्यू आएगी, एक वैल्यू दिया है. So imply that k root 2 whole square plus root 2 into root 2 minus 4 equal to 0. It will satisfy this equation because this is the root of this equation. Now imply that 2k, now this will be plus 2 minus 4 equal to 0. 2k minus 2 equal to 0, 2k equal to 2, k equal to 1. Suppose you ask you to find the other root also. तो क्या करना होगा? You will put the value of k here, or then you solve this equation. You can get the second root also. But in this question is not asking. I have explained about the how can you get the second root. Now question number 6. If 2 by 3 and minus 3 are root of this equation, the roots are 2/3 and -3. Or equation is given, or equation, quadratic equation, px square plus 7x plus q equal to 0. तो फर्स्ट यू टेक लेट x इक्वल टू 2/3 और यहाँ पे कितना हो जाएगा 4/9p प्लस 7 इंटू 2/3 प्लस q इक्वल टू 0. Then it will be 4p plus 28 plus 9q upon 9 equal to 0. I have taken LCM of this, it will be 9 और then हम इसको सेटिस्फाई करते हैं. तो what you are getting here 4p 7 into 14, oh this will be 42. 3 times हो जाएगा ना, 3 3 जा 9 और 7 into 2 14, 14 3 जा 42. Now 4p plus 9q equal to minus 42. This is the one equation. Then you will find the further second equation. Let x equal to minus root 3. Then 9p. Here you put the value x equal to minus 3. So 9p plus 7 into minus 3 plus q equal to 0. So 9p plus q equal to 7 into 3 21, or this side it will be 21. Minus 21, 21. Now you are getting the two equations, first and second. You will solve this equation. So I am going to run this. Okay. और दोनों इक्वेशन को सॉल्व कर देंगे. Then you can get the unknowns p and q. तो 4p plus 9q equal to minus 42. First, or in the second equation, what you will do? You will multiply the 9 here. So it will become 81p plus 9q equal to 9 or 9 to 18. Now it will become the third equation. Third I got by help of the second. In the second 9 is multiplied. Then plus minus minus plus minus. 9q cancel, or then it will be minus 77p equal to, or this will be 9 to 11, or this will be 8 4 12 13, or 1 2 minus 231. Then p equal to 231 by 77 by it will be 3. Clear? Now find the value of q from equation second. Q equal to 21 minus 9p. 21 minus 9 into 3. Then 21 minus 27 equal to minus 6. So value of p is 3, or value of q is minus 6. Now it is clear? So in this way you will try to solve the exercise 5.1. If you have any problem, you can ask through the WhatsApp. I will explain. God bless you. और you must be parallel to the class. per day वीडियो देखो, फिर क्वेश्चन पूछो.